This week on What's Being Blasted, we're going to take a look at some automotive jobs that were a complete success. Starting it off with this unique car called a Mini Moke. It was covered in rust and looked ready for the scrapyard, but with a quick blast and a new coat of paint, it was more than ready to be rebuilt. Next up is a 1973 Challenger. It was blasted down to bare metal easily with dustless blasting. This rare 1940s Ford Anglia needed to get rid of a nasty old yellow paint job. And finally, this large indoor paint booth needed an overhaul. With the dustless blasting process, the booth is ready to crank out some more show car masterpieces. These are just a few examples of the things that are being blasted every day with dustless blasting. Click subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure to watch our other videos to see why dustless blasting is the future of surface preparation.